Conquer anger with love, evil with good, greed with charity, and falsehood with truth. Dhammapad 223. Conquer anger with love, evil with good, greed with charity, and falsehood with truth. Dhammapad 223. Let anger be conquered by non-anger. Let bad ones be conquered by good. Let miserliness be conquered by charity. Let miserliness be overcome by charity. Let the liar be conquered by the truth. Anger conquered by enmity, evil conquered by good, by giving conquered the misery, with truth the speaker of falsity. Dhammapad 223. Okkodheno jine kodhong sadhunong sadhuna jine. Okkodheno jine kodhong o sadhunong sadhuna jine. Jine kodoryong daneno hocheno oliko badinong. Dhammapad 223. Jine kodoryong daneno hocheno oliko badinong. Dhammapad 223. Okkodheno jine kodhong osadhung sadhuna jine. Jine kodoryong daneno hocheno oliko badino. Dhammapad 223.